Do you love frying foods at home, but hate the cleanup process afterwards? Those greasy spills and stinky residues you have to dispose of afterward.
Ow!
Well, this weekend's new Tolu 2 puts an end to the coffee cans with less mess, no spills, and no stress. Kitchen Laboratories Hard Oil transforms up to 2 quarts of oil into an easy-to-handle, non-toxic, solid disc that you can just chuck in the garbage can. Hard oil is cooking oil hardening powder flakes that harden grease, fat, vegetable oil, olive oil, and other substances for easy disposal in the garbage can, so no more pouring those harmful liquids down your sink or your drain that's going to cause clogging, damage, and expensive plumbing repairs. Using the provided scooper, you just pour the hard oil flakes into up to 2 quarts of old cooking oil and watch as the hardening magic occurs. Great for home chefs, cooks, or anyone that doesn't like cleaning up those greasy messes.
Ow!
So, everyone, hard oil is a sustainable plant-based oil hardening agent crafted of 100% non-toxic ingredients. Each bag goes for about $12. Seems like a no-brainer to keep one of these tucked away in a cabinet for when you need it next.
For more information, check out the HouseSmarts YouTube channel.
And be sure to like and subscribe.